If you're a gigolo or a sugar baby and you have a partner or a sugar mommy, a sugar daddy who is 3 times, 10 times your age, 18 times, whatever age range you guys you have, but you are scared or you are scared of being judged or you are shy to walk with this person, but this person wants to walk with you, wants to go out with you, blah blah blah, I have a tip for you. Hello my blessed viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For those who haven't subscribed, kindly do so. I have a tip for you. Actually, it's not a tip, but it's something which I personally sometimes I do. Buy uniform. Buy uniform, wear uniform, so that some people might think that you are working for him, you are his nurse, or you are a caregiver. Do so and you'll thank me later. Let's go together and buy our uniform, or we do window shopping for our uniform. So it has stopped raining and the clouds are clear, so let's go. Boom, here it's our shop. I chose this Chinese shop because I can get cheap clothes from here, which I want to utilize or to show you. So let's go and look for our uniform. Oops, here it's my sweater, Christmas sweater. I'm looking for uniform, which I will show you. Not uniform, combination of clothes which are good for people who are scared to walk with their elderly partners or partners who they are not proud of, I don't know, but majority elderly partners. So you need a good combination of something like a uniform. You can choose this one, but let's continue to another aisle. I think I've seen something, but I'm not sure where I saw it. Let me continue to check. And make sure when you choose your uniform, you check also the weather, the season you are. If you are in winter, choose something for winter. If you are in summer, choose something for summer. I think I've seen. No, tracksuit. I don't think if I can fancy a tracksuit as a uniform. Yes, this one is a catch. Yes, this one I think I will check this one. Sorry, they checked. I don't know how to call it. This red. Yes, it looks like a Scotland kind of a thing. Scottish people like this type of clothes. I don't know how not clothes, the design, the color. So they have the blazer, they have the trouser. Let me look if they have a skirt. If they have a skirt, so that we can have choices. Yes, they have a skirt too. So let me choose a blazer, a skirt, and a trouser for us as our uniform. So let's go to the changing room. So peace. Oh, I've gained weight, guys. I've gained weight, not too much, but I've gained weight massively. Don't mind my makeup, don't mind I don't know how to say. So this is the blazer, the one which we will use as our uniform, and we have a trouser. You see the combination, how sweet it is. Where is the skirt? I thought I put the skirt too. So let's start with the blazer. You can put this blazer on with the trouser of your choice. Look, doesn't it look good? Ooh, I think I look good. Or you can put on a skirt, but a skirt later. I'll put on a skirt later. Let me just show you how blazer it. So you can put a badge with your name or a collar badge. Yes, a collar badge or a pin badge with your name without him knowing. And you put a fake name. Don't put your actual names. A fake name. This is for those girls who are scared or they are embarrassed to walk around with their elderly partners on wheelchairs. Some are embarrassed. Me, I'm not embarrassed. If I'm in love, I'm in love with an old or a young. So look at the skirt. How beautiful is it? the skirt and the blazer, but this weather doesn't allow me to. Even this one, you put on a badge, a collar badge or a pin badge. Look how sexy. Look how treaty, sweetie. Wow. And this is the trouser. I've gained weight. Oh my God, look at my hips. This is the trouser. How do I look anyway? How do I look with the trouser? I think this one is something to go with if you are embarrassed to walk around with your elderly partner. According to me, you put on a badge, a pin badge there, or a collar badge. Yes, or a collar badge. And then you're good to go. You can push him on a wheelchair. You look for this type of uniforms, like several pairs, different colors or the same colors. But you make sure you look fancy, you look good. Don't look like a miserable maid. You're supposed to look good when you pull up this type of tactic. So, and then we relax. After buying our uniform, we relax somewhere. We zoom in and out. I'm just joking. I'm just relaxing, and that's how my day was. Thanks for watching, sweethearts. That was my tip for today. Until next time, I hope you've learned something from me, and I hope you've enjoyed my content. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Subscribe, guys. And don't forget to like and share. Bye.